Does it really still stink?
Rachel, it stinks.
Such a pretty hike. God, there are birds everywhere.
Hey man, this is cool, man.
Yeah, man.
To the left.
But I know in San Blas they do.
San Blas has alligators?
Yeah. When we went, they had them there in the like the little canals.
Nah, I wouldn't want to mess with one of these birds if I was
Cracked egg there.
Why?
Because those birds are big.
Yeah, I wanted to get a picture of the bird that's above us.
Look at these birds. They're all over the place.
You see it with the other white feather?
No.
Right here, babe.
Oh, yeah.
So they're hatching right now.
Oh, look at that baby. That's a frigid one.
Cute little baby. Where do you guys see
Little
it?
baby bird.
Oh, he's beautiful.
You can see his face from here.
Oh, he's ugly. He's beautiful.
Right here, Karen. You see him from here? Wait, you see it?
Oh, yeah.
No, I get a sunshine.
You want to take that trail up?
So we made it to the little lake.
And there's Rachel again behind me recording.
Oh, actually, I don't see you.
Oh, good.
Cool. My son always finds a dead bird. Or dead animals. Or dead something. Oh, I guess I didn't pause it.
Cool. He came to check us out.
There are tons of
These
birds.
are the females, I think.
The ones with the white?
Yeah, the females are. The males are sitting on the.
I'm thinking the ones that are white are the males.
I thought they said the blue were the male. The blue.
There we go.
You could get.
Man, you put your toe in.
We think it's salt water due to those
Start getting some
kind of crystal
You're gonna get gangrene. We're breathing this in.
stinks.
What are you doing?
I don't have to hear you because you keep... Look at that bird, Isaac. He's beautiful. Look at that bird. It's got a big old goiter. And there's another one there. There's another one there. Looking right at me. Hi, little bird. Don't kill me. I just want to take pictures. And there's birds all over. I'm glad I never let my kids watch that movie, The Birds. I like those ones with the red chest. They're pretty cool.
Carry on. I want to see the boobies.
Look at the little baby. There's the baby there. Look at those birds. Yeah, babe, we saw those.
All of us saw that.
No, it's like right here.
There's the babies.
Those gotta be the males, huh?
I can see them from here. Oh, shh. Wow. I could feel their wings.
What's he doing amongst all these crickets? You see him?
Hi, little guys. Usually the last one always gets attacked. I'm just joking. Did you say you saw a scorpion?
No, but they're here, Rachel.
Oh.
Scorpions and rattlesnakes are here, I asked. Not at this specific island, but they're in.
It's a little weird how that all puffs up.
It's weird how they just let people walk through the sanctuary, but I guess you're brave if you want to do it. Oh, the birdies.
Alright.
I'm not going to be the one.
I was joking. He's not going to attack you.
I know, but then you worried me a lot, so.
Oh, I'm sorry, kiddo. Well, I like to keep you on your toes.
You're okay, baby. You're okay, baby.
She has her little baby there.
You guys have seen a lot of people. I think you're not afraid of them.
I understand and I can get your phone back up.
Look at that little baby. Oh, that's not the baby. Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Termite mountain, yeah?
I don't hear any bees.
No, that's not bees.
Yeah, I think it's...
Termites?
It could be termites. Don't poke it. No. You have a very nice head, though. Oh, I like you. There's that bird there. Here, look at me, you guys. Cheese. So this is like super dusty. Every step is... And then you kind of sink into it. It's almost like ashy in a way, but it's brown. It's an interesting little hole that we came to. It's kind of big, and there's still tons of birds flying around. It's very interesting. There's rocks. They kind of look volcanic, actually, because there's tons of holes in them. Can't really see it here, but maybe over here. See, it's like a lava rock. Pumice stone. There was a big crater that we went to where the lake was, so it's really soft.
I don't know.
Oh,
Are
sorry.
you getting out your navionics? I didn't bring it.
We got to the end, to the north. Did you see the stars last night? They were beautiful. Yeah, I was... Eddie too. Go here. Is what a bottle? And a bunch of sea urchins and those little crabs. They're really pretty. And if you look there, there's like little tide pools. The water's super clear. There's tons of crabs. They're all moving away. I don't know why it keeps focusing. There's a lot of crabs. Tons of crabs. Oh, look at them over there. Hi, little guy.
Bloody, I was not gonna get a shot. I wasn't.
We all got them.
So I sat down. Remember, she got strapped. Like they strapped me to her. I wouldn't. I was going crazy. No.
Let's see. Here are these. Hi, little guys. I'm gonna try to quickly walk through here so I don't get pooped on. Ouch.
Holes, how weird. I had no idea there were land crabs.
The crabs are making the holes.
They're hiding from the birds. That's what the birds eat. Okay, sweetie pie.
Maybe we should eat them.
They probably come out at night.
Oh, you are right above somebody's.
Seeing the food.
Oh, they're seeing the food?
Right?
They're ripping their habitat?
Don't let it pinch your toes.
Look at him, man. He is doing it. I just want to make sure you still have it. Be careful, Eddie. Say, okay, Mama.
Can you get him?
Thanks so much for watching. It was a really cool trip and hike that we had on this island, and it was super sweet to see all these birds with big old goiters and blue feet and all kinds of stuff. So we love you. God bless you. Goodbye.